Hey everyone, and in this video you will learn how to download Office 365 for the PC in your Windows 7, 8 or 10. So let's begin the video. Alright, so first of all download the Office 365 RAR file from the description and put it in a desktop so you can do the processes easily. So let's open the Office tool and run this Windows batch file except for this Office 2 Plus. We don't need to run this one, so let's run this batch file. Alright, so it's open. Let me just maximize this. Okay, so don't be confused here and don't just click install Office. That's not you have to do. You have to click on deploy and select the add product. Now just do what I do here, because if you do it manually of your preference here, it won't work at all. You won't be downloading that Office 365. So click on add product and select Office 365 for business, because this is a version that will work on your PC. So let me just select what I need. Alright, so I selected, and now choose your architecture. Mine is 64, so I will choose 64. And if your this channel is changed on anything else, then just put it in the current channel, otherwise it won't work. No, so let's start deploying our Office. And eventually, as you can see, the Office is downloading right now, so just chill out and wait for it to be completed. Alright, so Office is finally installed, so let's activate it now. You can also check that it's installed, as you can see, Word, PowerPoint, Excel. Alright, so let's just activate it. So just go back here and click on activate, and click on license management and select this one, the Office Professional Plus 2019, and make sure that it is the same, otherwise it won't work if you choose another versions of the license. So just select it and click on install license.
Because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
Alright, so our Office is activated, and here is an important notice for you everyone, that if your Office is activated then it's very good, and if it's not activated then don't worry about it, because it's also happened to me. I don't know why, but if your Office is not activated but still you can use it, it have all the features even if it is not activated. So let me show you that mine is activated or not. So let me just open my Word. As you can see, my Office is also not activated, even though I activated it in front of you. So this happens sometimes, it doesn't matter. The Office, the Word, Excel works perfectly fine. So thanks for watching, and like and dislike, it's your choice, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.